Hi, I'm Dana Cortez.
I'm Cammy.
You know we're the #1 morning show? Yep.
Do you know that I feel fit?
You know you could wear a bra. Dude, Monday is the Fat Club, and Candy has a good story. It's kind of sad.
All of her friends tell her, girl, you can do so much better than that man that you're with, and she stays with this prisoner guy because she's a big fat ass.
She met him in
She
prison.
doesn't think she can do better.
She doesn't think she can do better. She's heavy, and she says that that's why.
She ain't
because she's
heavy.
fat.
She's huge.
All right, so it's a house party Fat Club at 7 a.m.
She's one of those
Y'all are
girls.
funny.
No,
See,
she's one
I
of
can't
those.
say anything.
No, you
I'm
can't.
not getting in trouble.
She's one of those girls who you look at and say, "What? You got a pretty face."
Ooh. Ooh. But the guy's in prison, right? She met him in prison? And then
Who
he
knows?
loves her.
He's in
He loves her to
prison. He may have a boyfriend. Who knows what he has?
death. Part-time. He won't have a boyfriend when he gets out. Just when he goes back in. All right, so 8 o'clock. She's in a bad relationship. And we've actually discussed this topic many times. But we have to do it again. She cannot get out. 9 years later, her baby daddy, he cheats, they get back. He messes around, he promises he won't. He won't come home, she lets him back in. And she says, I know that this relationship isn't going to work, but I cannot find the strength to leave this man. So I want you to comment and give her some information on how to leave. How'd you get out of your stuck relationship? Don't act like it's just her, because you've stayed there. I've heard you say, well, maybe you can just see other people and we'll just see. And, you know, she's in that position right now.
I'm thinking of the position I'm about to be in tonight.
All right, so have a fabulous weekend. Oh, by the way, did you know we're #1? We just got our ratings. Thank you. We love you. #1 New Mexico, Monday through Friday, 6 to 10. We're the house party.
Eat it.